we solve this question? I can't look at Tracy's paper now. Wait a minute. I forgot what I brought. My super pretty and special calculator, guys. Like all the glitter. Now let me find the answer. Is the teacher looking? I don't think so. Psst, Krista, what do you think Diego is doing? I don't know. We should go tell the teacher right now both things. Yeah. Let's just wait and see first, okay? Okay, the question on the board is 534 subtract 223. Let's try. On 534 subtract 223, which equals 311. There we go, 311. I'm sure Rodney needs help. I'll go pass her the calculator. Psst, Rodney. What? Here's the calculator. The answer is already written on it. Okay. Is anybody looking? Look, guys, this is what Diego gave me. This really pretty purple calculator. And the answer is 311. There we go, 311. I'm probably the first one done. Is everyone done? Almost. Alright, just a couple of minutes left. Is everybody done? Yes, teacher. Yes. Alrighty, we'll be moving on to our next lesson. Alrighty, guys, this is our next lesson. Algorithm subtraction. How to solve if you can't subtract the numbers. If you can't subtract the numbers, like 3 subtract 5, you must borrow a number from the next column. If 3 subtract 5 can't work, I have to go to the tens column and borrow a number. If I take 110 from 2, then that number becomes a 1, and the number 3 becomes 13. The number 3 becomes 13 because if I put the 1 in front of 13, it becomes 13. The 1 in front of 3, it becomes 13. If you do not understand, come to my desk. I'll actually show an example here right on the board. You won't need to solve this question, but see how you can't do 3 subtract 5? So we borrow 110 from that number 2. And then that number 2 becomes a 1. And then number 3 becomes a 13. Because if we put the 1 in front of 13, it becomes a 10 column. So 13 subtract 5 equals 8. 1 subtract 1 equals 0. 5 subtract 5 equals 0. That's how it's done. You won't need to do a question for this one. Alright guys, this is actually your work, but since we ran out of time with the lessons, you're going to have to do these for homework. Basically, the instructions were when you're done, write your own practice questions or help a friend. We will be taking it up too. We'll actually be taking up this tomorrow, and you're actually gonna do this at home for homework. So you guys are gonna bring your math notebooks home, but first you need to write these questions in your notebook. So go ahead and write these in your notebook. Then when you're done writing these in your notebook, grab your math notebook, close it up, and you guys can go home. Everybody start that now and come up to me when you're done. Go ahead. We should go tell the teacher now. Yeah, Crystal. Should we both go tell? Yeah. Teacher? Yes? We saw something. What is it? So basically, Diego and Rodney, they've been passing notes, using a calculator, and eating in class while you were gone. Really? Yep. Can you go bring them over right here? Of course. Diego, Rodney, Miss Doodle's calling you. I think we're in trouble, Rodney. Yeah. Oh no, if I get in trouble again, Mom's gonna yell at me. Yes, Mrs. Doodle? Well, I heard you guys have been doing some bad things in class. Not gonna say anything, but you shouldn't be doing that. I'm gonna have to tell your parents about that when you get home. And maybe I'll give you guys extra homework. No! Please, teacher, you have to. Believe us. Well, I'm going to talk to your parents and give you extra homework. Thank you for Tash and Crystal for telling me. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, you guys are going to go at your desk and write extra questions. No! Now, go to your desk. Fine. Now, guys, go back to your desk. Oh, we're in big trouble. Yeah. Hi, Miss Doodle. Yes, Tracy. I'm all done my math. Can I go home now? Yes. And for you, you get these gummy bears. Really? Thanks so much. You're welcome. You can go home now. Yay! Going home. I'm going home with my gummy bears, Meanwhile. Alrighty, guys, I'm just waiting for the both of you to finish up. Everybody's already with their parents, and I did text your parents, so I don't have to come up to them and talk. Okay. We're both done. Alrighty, bring your sheets. See, look, here's our notebooks, Miss Doodle. Can we please go home now? Okay, looks like you did your stuff. Now you can go home. Okay. Alrighty, math class is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.